There could be viruses like hepatitis. There could be protozoans.
Disturbing results tonight after 27 investigators hired an independent lab to test the water in Mill Creek Park. Heavy rain sent sewage into Lake Newport, causing a massive fish kill last week. 27 First News reporter Amanda Smith started looking into the problem after learning answers about water quality have been slow in coming from the state.
The sign that warns visitors about the potential for raw sewage is on the west side of the lake. On Tuesday, I took a water sample from the east side. I could see a film of something floating on the surface. I used a sterile bottle and 27 investigators paid Cardinal Environmental to analyze the water. The results show a count of 3,800 for fecal chloroform bacteria.
For swimming water, the coliform counts should be no higher than between 200 and 400, depending upon the local ordinances.
No one from Mill Creek Metro Park would speak on camera today. A spokesperson did say that state agencies have declared the water safe for boating. But my results were the first they've seen. No state agency had shared test data with the park. I found the city of Youngstown and the county health board out testing water at Lake Newport this afternoon. Test results can vary by the time of day and location. They collected water from a half-dozen sites today. I asked if the lake bacteria levels were still high.
That we don't know yet, and that's what we're testing for to see if it's consistent with the testing that was already previously done.
The health commissioner says the district could examine the samples and, if the bacteria are too high, declare the lake a public health nuisance. But that may not do much.
We do not have enforcement power over the city, over the sewage, over any of that to make any of those changes. That is all within the purview of the Ohio EPA.
Heavy rains wash raw sewage into the lake several times a year.
You really don't want to be in that kind of water in the water. If you're on top of the water, there's a little bit of risk.
The EPA already knows about Youngstown sewer problems. The combined storm and sanitary sewer system is illegal. But it could be years before anything is done to correct it because of the expense and tight budgets. In Youngstown, Amanda Smith, 27 Investigates.
And Dr. Cooper says if you do boat on Lake Newport, you should be careful not to touch your eyes, ears, mouth, or nose until thoroughly washing your hands.